Hi everyone, we are on our final day of the seasons, and today we'll be looking at fall. Another name for fall is autumn. Okay. It says use the bubble map to draw pictures or use words to describe fall. Think about the months, weather, holidays, clothes, and activities that happen in fall. Okay, so this is our final day. So fall is September. When I think of September, I think of being back in school, and that is a T. Sorry, I wrote that kind of close. T and an E. October. And November. We have a lot of holidays then. In October we have Halloween. In November we have Thanksgiving. So I'm going to color this, let's see, I did red and yellow and blue. No, green. I'll do orange because the leaves are starting to change, and we have pumpkin pie, we have turkey, the holidays start to happen, we go trick-or-treating. It's just a really fun time. Okay, the next thing I'll do is I'm trying to think, I'm going to draw the trees changing. So you can do it like I do it or your own way. First I'm just drawing the tree, and then I'm going to draw one more tree. Okay. Then I'm going to put the ground. I forgot to put the ground. And you're always welcome to pause the video, and then I'm going to get some colors. And I'm just going to put little dots. Those are my leaves. And I'm going to put some at the bottom because leaves do fall, right? That's what fall is about. And I'm going to do a red one. I think the red ones are so pretty. And yellow. I mean, they're all just beautiful. You have blue and yellow. I mean, yellow and red. And brown. Okay. And then if I had drawn another tree in the middle, it would have done yellow. So I guess I'll add that tree, which you don't have to, but just draw a tree. Okay, there we go. There are our trees falling, leaves falling. And then the last one, I think I'm going to, I don't know, that one's kind of tricky. I could do holidays. So I think what I'll do is I'll draw people, people eating dinner for Thanksgiving, right? Because that's a special time. And this person has this is kind of tricky for me to draw it this way, but I'll try. Draw them eating their food and talking to each other. Okay. And another family member might be sitting right here. And maybe they're wearing purple, I don't know. They're happy, they're talking. They're eating too. Just drawing quickly. Okay, so maybe you want to draw Thanksgiving. Here are two family members. They're eating together. Okay, and that could be Thanksgiving, right? Maybe you want to draw a pumpkin pie or a pumpkin for Halloween. Anything you'd like. And then go ahead and take a picture and send it to me. Okay, bye everyone.